I knew this was coming!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Westmoreland County.
Westmoreland, that means it's on WXM 33, alright?
In southwestern Pennsylvania. On Gallia County in northern West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmington, 47 miles southeast of Uniontown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Farmington, Seven Springs, Fairchance, Martinsburg, Chowkill, Ohio Pile, Mill Run, Normalville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Westmoreland, Pennsylvania.
Alright. Come on, turn up.
On the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Shut up.